It's complete hyperbola in this period. Okay. So what are the standard equations? Standard equations of the hyperbola are x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. And the second one is y square by a square minus x square by b square is equal to 1. Isn't it? Now, write down the next question. Next type we are going to learn. So the next type. Write down. Vertices plus or minus 2, 0. Vertices plus or minus 2, 0. Vertices plus or minus 2, 0 and foci plus or minus 3, 0. Vertices plus or minus 2, 0 and foci plus or minus 3, 0. So what will be the answer? Look at this, vertices and focus, where it lies? Actually, it lies on
x-axis.
Therefore, it lies on x-axis. Therefore, the equation of the hyperbola is x squared by a square minus y squared by b square is equal to 1. So vertices, it is given by plus or minus a, 0. And focus, it is given by plus or minus c, 0. Compare it. From here you can write a is equal to 2, c is equal to 3. A is equal to 2 and c is equal to 3. From here, find out what is b. After finding b, find out the equation. Find the equation.
Root 5.
It's root 5. B is root 5. Is it correct, Michael?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the equation of the hyperbola is x squared by 4 minus y squared by 5 is equal to 1. Tomlin, previous max period you are not there, isn't it? First period? Are you there, Tomlin? Tomlin?
No, ma'am. No.
Dia is also not there, isn't it? Dia. Yes. First period, are you present, Dia?
Ma'am, when?
Yeah. Write the next one. Vertices 0, plus or minus 3. Vertices 0, plus or minus 3. Foci 0, plus or minus 5. Vertices 0, plus or minus 3 and the foci 0, plus or minus 5. So what is that? equation here. The focus and vertices lies on y-axis, isn't it?
Y-axis.
So the equation is x square by, sorry, not x, y square by a square minus x square by b square is equal to 1. Y square by a square minus x square by b square is equal to 1. So compare this one and give the equation. We can do one thing. Next period we can do straight lines, revise straight lines. Yes, what is the value of C? Aishwarya, what's the value of C?
C is 5.
C is 5. So what's the equation? Aditya is Raj.
Ma'am, y square by 9 minus x square by 16.
Y square by, can you repeat it? Say it louder. Y square by?
Y square by 9
Yes.
minus x square by 60.
60.
16, 1, 6.
1, 6. Equal to 1. 1. Is it correct, Achut? Okay. The next one, next type. Foci plus or minus 5, 0. Foci plus or minus 5, 0. Transverse axis is of length. Transverse axis is of length 8. Transverse axis is of length 8. So focus, looking the focus lies on x-axis, isn't it? Therefore, we can say the equation will be of the form, the equation of the hyperbola takes the form x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. So comparing this is plus or minus c comma 0, isn't it? So we can say c is 5. And look at this length of transverse axis. What is length of transverse axis?
2a.
2a, very good. So 2a is 8. So a is 4. And here we got c. C is 5. Again find out b, substitute this, find the equation. Atul, what is the answer, Atul?
x square by 16 minus y square by 9 is equal to 1.
Minus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Okay. Now write the next one. Next one. Foci plus or minus 3 root 5 comma 0 and length of lattice rectum is 8. And length of lattice rectum is 8. Focus is plus or minus 3 root 5 comma 0 and length of lattice rectum is 8. So from the focus, we can understand that focus lies on x-axis. So the equation of the hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. What is the answer? Focus is given, isn't it? Focus is plus or minus e comma 0. Length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum is
2b square by a.
2b square by a is 8. So b square by a is equal to 4, isn't it?
4.
So b squared is 4a.
4a.
4a. Then c is given, isn't it? What is c? C is 3 root 5. So what is c square? Is it 45? Is it c square is 45? Now how to find? Yes, Atul.
b square is equal to c square minus a square.
Very good. B squared is equal to c square minus a square. So b square we can replace it with 4a is equal to c square. It is 45, isn't it? C square is 45. So b square is c square minus a square. So b square is 4a is equal to 45 minus a square. If you bring it everything here, get a square plus 4a minus 45 is 0. So you'll get a quadratic. From here solve and find out what is the value of a. You'll be getting a quadratic. From here find out what is the value of a. Product is 45. So we can split this as a square plus 9a
9a plus 5 minus 5a.
minus 45 is 0. From here if you take a as common, a plus 9 minus 5 as common, a plus 9 is 0. Therefore a is 5 or minus 9. But look at this, children. A, will it be 9? A is length of the axis, isn't it? So will you be getting that is 9, negative 9. So you take A is equal to 5. So if A is 5, now find out what is. If A is 5, find out what is B, then what is the equation? What will be the equation? Yes, Aishwarya, what is the equation?
Square by 25 minus y square by 20 is equal to 1.
Y square by 20 equal to 1. Are you getting this answer, Aditya? Yes. So the next one, find the equation of the hyperbola. Find the equation of the hyperbola with foci. Find the equation of the hyperbola with foci 0, plus or minus 12 and length of latus rectum is 36. And length of latus rectum is 36. Length of latus rectum is 36. So now focus, look at this, the focus lies on y-axis. Therefore the equation of the ellipse, the equation of hyperbola is of the form x square by y square, isn't it? Focus is on y-axis. So y square by a square minus x square by b square is equal to 1. So this is of the form 0, plus or minus c. So compare it, equate it. So equating, what is the value of c? Equate it and find out what is the value of c. Yes? What is the value of C? Aditya?
Ma'am, 12.
C is 12. Okay. Length of latus rectum is 2B
36.
is 36. So if you cancel this is 18. So you get B square is equal to 18A. Again, use the relation. Use the relation between A, B and C. Relation between A, B and C. So C square is equal to A square plus B square, isn't it? So C square, C is 12. So 144 is equal to A square plus 18A. So if you take this to other side, A square plus 18A minus 144 is 0. Now solve this one. Product is 144, negative 144, and sum is 18. Product is minus 144. Sum is positive 18. So what are the values of A?
6 and negative 24.
Yes, A is 6 and negative 24. Okay. But A is equal to negative 24 is not possible. It's being length we are not taking. Okay. So this is not possible. Therefore, the possible value of A is 6. So you get this A, substitute there and find B and find the equation of the hyperbola. And find the equation of hyperbola. Okay. So what is the equation? Aparna.
Ma'am, y square by 36 minus x square by 108 is equal to 1.
Y square by 36 minus x square by 108 is equal to 1. Is it correct, Achyut? Finished? Alvin, is it over? Aditya, got the answer? Aditya Satyan? Aditya? Aditya Satyan? Aditya Satyan is there? Okay, write the next one. Write the next question. Find the equation of the hyperbola. Find the equation of the hyperbola passing through the point. Find the equation of the hyperbola passing through the point 2, 3. Find the equation of the hyperbola passing through the point 2, 3 and foci 0, and foci 0, plus or minus root 10. Foci is given and it passes through the point, isn't it? It is given. This passes through the point 2, 3. It's passing through the point 2, 3. How to solve this? Find the equation of the hyperbola passing through the point 2, 3 whose focus is 0, plus or minus root 10. Look at the focus. So, from looking at the focus, from the focus, what we can see? What is the equation you will get? What is the equation of the hyperbola? Is it on x-axis or y-axis?
Y.
Y. So the equation of the hyperbola is y square by a square minus x square by b square is 1, isn't it? And your focus is given. It is 0, plus or minus c. So if you compare this, we will get c is equal to root 10. C is root 10. Now it is given, it passes through the point 2, 3. It passes through 2, 3. It passes through the point 2, 3. So you can put x is 2 and y is 3. So we will get 9 by a square minus 4 by b square is 1. Okay. But we don't know what is a, what is b. If we get a and b, we can find the equation. But c is given as root 10. From here, what is c square? C square is it a square plus b square? It's 10. Okay. So from here, what is a square? Is it 10 minus b square? Is it 10 minus b square? So substitute here. So 9 by 10 minus b square minus 4 by b square is equal to 1. Is it okay? Is it clear, children? Now cross multiply this. Okay. You cross multiply this. 9b square minus 4 into 10 minus b square by 10 minus b square into b square is 1. So that is 9b square minus 40 plus 4b square is equal to 10 minus b square into b square. So now listen. Okay, you will get a 4th degree polynomial here. 4th degree equation. Okay, to make this as quadratic, for our convenience, we can put b square as t. To substitute b square as t. So we will get 9t minus 40 plus 4t is equal to 10 minus t into t. That is 13t minus 40 is equal to 10t minus t square. So that is, if you bring it here, t square minus 10t plus 13t minus 40 is 0. So t square plus 3t, isn't it? T square minus 10t plus 13t. So you get t square plus 3t minus 40 is 0. So when you factorize this, on factorizing you can find out t, isn't it? On factorizing you can find out what is t. So product is minus 80. So I think you can take this as plus 8t minus 5t minus 40 is 0. So you'll get t is equal to, you get two values for t. If you don't know this factorization, we can use quadratic formula, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. That formula we can use if you don't know the factorization. Now solve this and find the values of t. So what are the values of t here? Yes? Atul, what is the value of t?
5.
5. Two values you will get, isn't it? What is the other value got?
Minus 8.
Minus 8. So t is equal to minus 8 is not possible. So t is equal to 5. T means b square is 5. So if b square is 5, find out what is correspondingly a square. And from there you write the equation. Therefore a square is 10 minus 5. So a square is also 5. A square will be same as b square. Therefore what is the equation? A square is 5 and b square is also 5. Therefore, the equation is okay. So what is the equation? What is the equation you are getting here? Punya, what is the equation of hyperbola?
Ma'am, I'm just doing.
Okay. So equation of the hyperbola, is it y square by 5 minus x square by 5 is 1. Is it correct, Gayatri?
Ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Those are not completed. Complete this one. Okay, with this chapter conic section is over. Okay, conic section chapter is over. What the answer, Aishwarya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. I end the session now. Thank you.